Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a card with the amazing Give It a Whirl dies from the annual catalog. These dies are easy to overlook because they aren't part of a bundle. There isn't a specific stamp set that coordinates with them. But that's because they are designed to coordinate with any stamp set you would like to use. Today, I'll be using the Nothing's Better Than stamp set, also from the annual catalog. First, I'm going to attach my DSP to my cardstock. Now I've got some die cutting to do. I'll use this large rectangle piece on my cardstock DSP combo. I'll also cut 3 of these little wedges from white cardstock, and I'm going to cut 2 stitched rectangles as well. I'm going to cut a big scalloped wheel. There are these cute little arrow pieces that will emboss an arrow right on my card front and show the recipient that they need to turn the wheel. Finally, I need to cut a peekaboo window. Notice that the die set is designed so that it will show me exactly where to place the die in order for it to line up with everything correctly. So many pieces, but trust me, we can do this. I'm going to stamp on my 3 white wedges to create the designs that will show through the peekaboo window. Now I'm going to stamp my sentiments on the 2 stitched white rectangles. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. When I add these wedges to the wheel, I can use the score lines as a guide for where to attach them. When the wheel is finished, I'll use a brad to attach it to the front piece. there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, Inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, my events calendar, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping! Bye!